Hello and welcome back. Now I'm going to share you some tips and tricks to crack the AWES exam. Strategically arrange your time. Arrange a study routine beforehand, allotting time for every subject. Solve sample question papers on mathematics. Sample question papers offers an inspiration concerning the topics, the quality expected, and also the skills. Observe and solve issues extensively. Read completely different articles. The additional you browse different articles to additional, it will facilitate in trying the comprehension section. It will facilitate to accumulate speed and preciseness, the key skill required to do well during this section. Improve your general awareness. Take a look at your general awareness. Extensively follow the news dailies and magazines, watch news channels and browse to the net to stay updated with these affairs associated with completely different national and international avenues. Solve as several papers as attainable. If you like our content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.